Welcome to my coding studio. Today I'll be working on CSS properties that involves um, font size, font weight, font family, and text align in the tags I'm going to do. And this is my goal here. I have to achieve this, and before I achieve it, I'm going to preview how it looks like so I know what I'm working on. Bear with me with the background noise. So in this part, you can see how it's looking like. It's not the same with the goal, and the goal is to achieve something like this. Yeah, so you can see how the two are looking like. I have to achieve this one, and this is different from this one. So let's get into it. It says here, this is what I'm going to be adding my CSS. My first task is to change the P color. In this place, I'm going to, if you notice, there is no class or ID given, but in this task, I'm going to be making use of class to work on the CSS and put in the properties I need to work with on the task given. In the task given. Okay, so in P, I'm going to use class color, and yeah, and this one I'm going to use the class of font size, and this one I'm going to use class 900, and this one I'm going to use the class of caveat. And this one I'm going to use the class right, because in the task given I'm just making use of the specific words that I will use in targeting what I need to play with my CSS for the task given. So this idea, they say we should change the color for paragraph to P using Cora color. So remember in my class here for paragraph I gave it color. I'm going to come here and put in color with the selector, that is color, Cora. Remember it's Cora. Let's see the change in it. If it's okay, you can see it has the effect already on it. So let's work with it. The second says change the font to P of the P font size to 2x, the size of the root font size. The root font size here is let's see. The root font size is 1 rem, so it's going to be 2 rem. I would explain about it when I have the chance to do so, or I explain about it while I'm even doing it, right? So according to how I was being taught, font size 2 rem. Okay. According to how I was being taught, I was told that 900. Sorry. Something is wrong. Probably there's something wrong. Let me use font weight. I don't know why it's giving me that red color. Something must be wrong. let's put font weight. Probably doesn't make use of number for class. I have no idea on that. I'll do a search on it. So font weight is 900. It's going to be bold. So back to this one is font family. Carpets. And fonts family. Carpets. So for this carpet, I'm going to copy the link for it and paste it over this place. Remember, when you are working with the boilerplate, you know where to put in the things that are linked to your work. So we are going to work with my text align in this part here. The text align is, what is the class for text align? Right, okay. Text align right. So change the root elements. The root elements. Let me go up. The root element should be my first here.
Watch this one today.
HTML. Font size 30 pixels. Yeah, let's see if there's anything I've not done. Let's go to well, I would say it's given what it's meant to give thanks to the tags given. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to explain something about the use of rem. Rem is used for the roots of the elements. We have rem and we have m. M is for the parent of the element. So the way m and rem works is different. M is the parent while rem is the root. So in this part now, if I use one rem, let's see how it's going to have its effect. If I use one rem, we can see that it has reduced in the size. If I should use 2 rem, you see how it works in the size.